Connecting your Transcend Micro to Bluetooth only takes a few steps. Here's exactly how to do it. First, make sure your CPAP is powered on and in standby mode. It needs to be active before it can pair with your phone. Next, press the Bluetooth button directly on the machine. You're looking for the LED to turn blue. That's your signal that Bluetooth is enabled and the device is discoverable. Next, on your smartphone, search for the MySleepDash app and download it. Once loaded, register an account with all of your personal information. Click Submit once you are done. Once your account is created, tap the QR code icon. Then flip the Micro over. There's a QR code on the bottom of the unit. Scan it with your camera, and the app will locate your device automatically. Your smartphone will confirm the pairing, and you are all set. From there, you will then get a few steps about how to properly set up your machine. Read and watch these thoroughly so you get the best out of your CPAP treatment. That's it. Your Transcend Micro is now paired over Bluetooth. If you're having trouble connecting, try restarting Bluetooth on your phone and repeating these steps. If you have any questions, call the CPAP shop today. Thanks for watching.